friends, welcome to my YouTube study channel Siddharth Gupta Foundation classes. Please subscribe this channels to get the latest videos. Today we will discuss about the entry of America in the First World War. This is the event. This is the event that led to the First World War also. In the starting, America was not in the war on the either side of the Europe camps. As I have already told you that Europe was divided into two parts. That was the cause of the First World War. And we has we had seen that America was not on the either side of the camp. So how America entered into the war? What was the incident? What was the condition that forced America to enter into the war? Today we will discuss about on that part. What happened once during the First World War in 1917? A ship named Lusitania was sailing into the ship in which 1153 passengers were sailing, in which the number of passengers of America was 128. The German and the Britishers, they both were the rivals of each other, they both were the enemies of each other, they both belongs to the different group. Germany belongs to the Triple Alliance, whereas the England belongs to the Triple Entity Group. So during the war, when the ship named Lusitania was sailing, a German U-boat sank that US liner Lusitania ship. The America were a little bit, say you can say that America was on the side of the Britishers, as they has invested a lot of money in that group, in the Triple Entity Group. So America too want that the war should won by the Triple Entity Group, means the England group. So what happened when the German U-boat attacked the Lusitania ship, in which 128 passengers of America was also traveling? They all were died. When they all were died, this incident was intolerable by the Americans, and so America decided to declare war against Germany. This is how the America entered into the war. This is the this is the cause by which the America entered into the war. So you can easily write down the entry of America in the war in such a way that I am dictating you, or you can see the font also in the register. You can easily write the heading of the entry of America in the war, and then you have to write down like this. I'm dictating, okay? Then you write down that one of German U-boats sank US liner Lusitania carrying 100 and 153 passengers, in which 128 passengers of America was also traveling. Then due to which America declared war against Germany. This is how America entered into the war. This is the circumstances, this is the conditions due to which America entered into the war in 1917. And you see that you already know that World War started in 1914 and ended in 1918. It means that after joining the America, within 1 year, America joined the war in 1917, and within 1 year in 1918, the war ended. As America was a powerful country, it was not a superpower at that time, but it has a lot of power, and his economic wealth was so much that it has so much lot of weapons, due to which the war becomes on the side of the Triple Entente Group, England's group. This is how this is the main event of the First World War. So as you have already we have already discussed about the causes of the First World War. We have discussed about the consequences of the First World War. We have discussed now the entry of America in the First World War. Now in this chapter, the syllabus is the main syllabus of this chapter is the causes of the First World War, the consequences of the First World War, main events of the war. The entry of America is an event of this war. And now the aims of League of Nations. What were the aims of the League of Nations? This also comes in your syllabus. So now we will discuss about the aims of League of Nations. So let me discuss about the aims of League of Nations. The League of Nations was established in 1920. The League of Nations was established in 1920 after the First World War. Before that, there was no League of Nations. That was also a cause of First World War, the lack of international organization. So, what were the aim of the League of Nations? First aim is to prevent future wars. To prevent future wars. जिससे कि फ्यूचर में वॉर ना हो, फ्यूचर में जो है लड़ाई को रोका जा सके. फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड वॉर जैसा, जिसमें इतना ज़्यादा लॉट ऑफ डिस्ट्रक्शन हुआ, इतना ज़्यादा लॉस ऑफ मनी हुआ, लॉस ऑफ लाइफ हुआ, डिस्ट्रक्शन हुआ. तो इस तरीके का वॉर आगे फ्यूचर में ना हो, इसके लिए जो है लीग ऑफ नेशन को एस्टेब्लिश किया गया था 1920 में. सेकंड ऑब्जेक्टिव, टू प्रमोट इंटरनेशनल कोऑपरेशन. सेकंड इज टू प्रमोट international peace cooperation and to achieve security. The second is to promote international peace, cooperation and to achieve security. Now the third is to promote friendly relations among nations nations. And the fourth is, no country will enter into secret treaties. What happened that the main reason of the First World War is that all the nations are having a secret treaty with each other. They themselves form the group, they themselves form the treaties, due to which the due to which the condition of First World War arises. So these were the some aims of the League of Nations that has to be fulfilled by the League of Nations, but this League of Nations got failed. League of Nations does not fulfill his aim, as the Second World War also took place after 20 years. It means what happened? That the League of Nations failed in their aims. If League of Nations would not fail in their aims, then Second World War would not have been take place. So therefore, the League of Nations was established in 1920. It aims are like this, and League of Nations failed. Now here the chapter ended. Now there are some questions, some short questions which has to be remembered. Some questions are like, these are the long questions which I have dictated you. These are the long questions which comes in the examination, which comes under syllabus. Some short questions also comes in the examination, like write one cause of First World War. Then I have already explained you. You have 4 or 5 causes. You can easily tell the heading: the division of Europe, Germany ambition to be a world power, France-German rivalry, growth of militant nationalism, lack of international organization. These all are the causes of the First World War. Now the second question is, name the group belongs to Triple Alliance. So I have already told you, in the Triple Alliance group, Germany, Austria-Hungary and Italy belongs to a Triple Alliance group. Second question, another question is, name the countries that comes under the Triple Entity group. France, England and Russia belongs to the Triple Entity group. Next question is, what is the immediate cause of the First World War? So I have already told you the Sarajevo incident, and I have already explained you what is Sarajevo incident. What happened? Once again I am repeating in you in detail. On 28 June 1914 at Sarajevo in Bosnia, a Serbian student whose name was Philip had assassinated Archduke Francis Ferdinand, who was a heir of Austria throne. Serbia was responsible for that, and Austria gave Serbia an ultimatum, him a warning to him, and Austria demanded several Austria demanded several conditions to Serbia, but Serbia refused to implement those conditions. So on 28th July, means after 1 month, after the assassination, after the murder of the Archduke Ferdinand, after 1 month, on 28th July 1914, Austria, sorry, it is not Australia, it is Austria. Austria is a European country. Austria declared war on Serbia then. Soon other powers got involved and this developed into the First World War. Soon those nations who are friendly with each other, they join their parties, they join their camps, European countries, and this is how the First World War began. So this is the immediate cause of the First World War. It should be remembered what is the immediate cause of the First World War. Now the next question. Which weapon used by the Germany in sinking the ship of Lusitania? The answer is the German U-boats. The German U-boats was used to sink the ship of Lusitania. Now next question. Why did America join the First World War? I have already explained to you the entry of America in the headings, entry of America in the war. One of the German U-boats sank the ship Lusitania, carrying many Europeans and American passengers. So America declared war against Germany and joined the war in April 1917. In April, America joined the war in 1917. This is how America entered into the war. Now the next question arises, on which side did Turkey join the war? From which side Turkey joined the war? So Turkey joined the war on the side of the Austria. Austria and Germany both are on the same side. So Turkey joined the war on the side of Austria. Okay. Now next question. Where are the headquarters of League of Nations? Where are the headquarters of League of Nations? So write in the bracket, it is at Geneva. The League of Nations headquarters is at Geneva. The main organ of the League of Nations. What are the main organs of the League of Nations? So they were the same. The organs which are now in the hands of United Nations organization, the same is in the League of Nations, and the organs are the General Assembly, the Secretariat, the Security Council, the International Court of Justice. These are the main organizations of the League of Nations at that time, and now also it is under the United Nations organization. The name of the League of Nations changed to United Nations organization after the Second World War. So this is how, these are some important questions, some questions which arise from this chapter. Long questions and short questions have been already covered. Now revise this chapter, and if you have any problem, if you have any query, then you can ask me through comment on this video. So, you can comment me on my YouTube channel and subscribe this channel so that you get the notification of latest videos. And anytime you can listen this video during the time of examination, during the time of board. You can easily see this video and revise your chapters.